Hello everyone, welcome. And today we are going to discuss about dengue. Dengue is viral disease. It is viral infection which is more commonly present in tropical areas, tropical disease, and it is caused by dengue virus and transmitted through mosquito. So it is viral disease and transmitted through dengue virus and also known as breakbone fever, dengue breakbone fever. It is also known as dengue breakbone fever. Now, it is infection which can be acquired via a single bite of a mosquito, and it is caused by female mosquito which takes blood meal from infected person of dengue fever and transmit it to the another person through salivary glands. So it is caused by mosquito and which contains dengue virus from infected person, and when it bites to healthy person and a healthy person acquire dengue virus. So the signs symptoms of dengue virus are fever. Patient develops fever more than 105. First of all, pyrexia occurs, and then headache occurs in the patient, and then muscle pain and joint pain. Patient will complain the pain in muscles, myalgia, and joint pain. Arthralgia will be there. Skin rashes will be there. Skin rashes because platelet number is decreased. Decreased platelet results in purpura and rashes on the skin. Pain behind ear eye movement and pain when patient will move the eye. Patient will complain of the pain. Nausea will be there. Vomiting, mild bleeding will be occur because platelet number is decreased, so patient will be uh, prone to develop bleeding from nose, epistaxis, and bleeding from mouth, and there will be multiple purpuric spots on the body of the patient. So these are the signs symptoms of the patient of dengue. Now a patient may be asymptomatic, or there may be mild symptoms when platelet numbers are decreased but patient has fever and there is severe illness occurs, and ranges from 3 to 14 days or often 4 to 7 days of the patient. So in this way patient develops dengue fever. It is common in all age group because it is caused by virus which is transmitted through uh, mosquito. So all age group or patient are more prone to develop dengue. Pre-existing antigen of dengue patient are more prone to develop, or there is high risk for secondary infection if a person is infected from dengue first, and then after recovery another mosquito is biting that person, so there are more chance to develop the dengue. And there is host genetic and viral strains are also risk factor for developing dengue. So tropical disease which is caused by dengue virus. Clinical presentation: patient will have chills, erythematous mottling, skin and facial flush will be there. Patient will have fever, and if it is child, then less than 15-year child have non-specific febrile syndrome occurs after dengue, and maculopapular rash occurs in the babies. And classical fever: patient will present with the breakbone fever, chills, myalgia, arthralgia, and bleeding. So the treatment for dengue fever is, first of all, give patient fluids because of fever patient become dehydrated, or and ask the patient to rest. Give the patient antibiotic but avoid aspirin because aspirin causes aggravates bleeding. So aspirin and NSAIDs should be avoided. Monitor the blood pressure of the patient. Hematocrit, platelet count most commonly is decreased, and level of consciousness and platelet infusion should also be given to the patient because platelet count is decreased, so platelet infusion is mandatory in patient of dengue fever. So this was dengue fever, and next video, this was a short video on dengue fever, short review. In next video we shall cover the whole topic of dengue fever with details, and so this was all about dengue.